Would you like to minimise the downtime of your patient handling equipment? Follow these tips to keep your equipment in good working order.
Keep your equipment clean and free from debris, especially in environments where corrosion can occur, such as swimming pools and bathing areas.
Carry out routine checks for wear and tear, especially before using the equipment.
Keep cables and loose fittings clean and secure to avoid them becoming a safety hazard.
Keep all batteries charged regularly, even when the equipment is not in use.
Lifting equipment is designed to withstand a certain weight. Avoid overloading beyond the safe working load.
Regular refresher training of good hoisting practices for staff will prolong the life of your equipment.
Don't wait until your equipment breaks and is out of use. Make sure you have a service and repair schedule.
By carrying out these maintenance tips, not only will it prolong the life of your equipment, it will also reduce downtime and ensure your equipment is safe to use.
For more tips on maintaining your equipment, visit our website medico.co.uk.